dyan. Pogi! Ang pogi! Ang pogi! Kyler! Tristan! Kyler!
Hello.
Hello. Let's bring them first. Okay. 하나, 둘, 셋. 안녕하세요. We are
Horizon.
Hello po. VIP of SM Baguio.
Hello!
Glad to see you. We're so glad we. How long did the commute take? Like 5 hours or something?
5 hours,
Yeah.
yes.
6
5
hours.
hours. Oh,
6 hours. 6 hours.
Kayo, gano'n kayo katagal pumunta?
6
hours. Grabe ka na.
hours!
Grabe, doon ka na ba natulog pagkatapos ng Batangas na fan signing? Well, nice to see you and it's fun na we get to continue this because this is the second leg of our fan signing event here in the Philippines. So, glad to have you guys. You want to say anything? Go. Please say
You guys. Hi guys. I'm so happy that you guys are here in SM Baguio and sana po mag-enjoy po tayo lahat.
Palakpakan!
Let's go! Hello sa mga nandito. Alam ko po na mahaba yung biyahe papuntan dito and alam ko po na yung iba nasa malayo pa and gawin po namin yung best namin and fighting!
Fighting!
Okay. I just want to say thank you guys for coming and.
English.
Kumain na ba kayo?
No!
Bakit di pa kayo kumain?
Kinakabahan!
Kinakabahan? Okay.
Doon mapasok ba siya?
Kita-kita tayo mamaya sa performance namin, guys. Love you.
Ay!
Go, Toto!
Good luck.
Medyo nahilo po siya sa zigzag. Ganyan.
May katingko ako.
Thank you po sa pumunta.
Thank you. Okay,
Thank you,
guys. Except siguro sa Davao, ito na rin yung pinakamalayo namin napuntahan.
Abite!
So, thank you po sa mga nagpunta and sa mga taga dito rin po. Super excited to meet all of you guys from from Baguio. And yeah, I was actually expecting it to be cold, but it's also pretty hot here. So, that's good. Fresh. Thank you guys for coming. Love
Thank you
you.
guys. Let's sit down for now.